Done diddly. Bang done. Right there. Straight figure mag.
Yo, what can you tell me about this bike?
It's a 2017 Fatboy. You won't be able to tell because we got the CVO breakout front rim, and I completely changed the rear fender. So that's from a Softail 1997. These bars are from a 98 Dyna. So I got a lot of older parts on this new bike here.
Okay.
To make it all work as cheap as I can, you know?
Yeah, 100%.
We're looking to make this just a straight burnout machine. Next summer it's going to be fucking rolling burnouts.
Yeah?
Circle burnouts everywhere. We're going to be putting on shows.
Damn,
So
we gotta see that shit.
One of the first Fatboys. Everyone does their Rogue Glides and Dynas, so
100%. So we'll start with the bike.
Harley rim. It is bigger than this too.
Holy shit. Alright. What's the year?
2010. We did some little thready downpipes, cob wide pipes, straight pipes, exhaust, cob safety tune, air ride, Phantom V2 wide body kit, rotoform KBS.